Snowy day, truck and trailer. What's inside the trailer? Heading to Steadfast Hot Rods today, and we're gonna get something out of the trailer. Stay tuned. It is a snowy day, so we got a lot of snow here on the ground, but on the road. Well, welcome back. We're on the road, Steadfast Hot Rods today. We do have something in the trailer. On the road early because we got a lot of things to do, but let's check out the sunrise this morning heading out. Just a beautiful sunrise. A lot of snow recently here in Ohio. We are heading to warmer weather, so you'll see another video coming soon at warmer weather. But today, heading to Belleville, Ohio, Steadfast Hot Rods. But we had to stop to get some gas. Let's check out the fuel prices here in Belleville, Ohio. Really, probably all across the country. It's maybe cheap for everybody else, but especially diesel. What do you think it'll be? $3.99. $3.99 a gallon, and it says $3.86 up there, but $3.99 a gallon. And other places I've seen it $4+ for diesel, so terrible. So we're only filling up the main tank. That should get us home. Well, we have Laura here. Laura, tell us what we're doing with this chassis.
I'm going to the trash can.
Where are you going? Laura!
Just chase her around a little bit.
Laura! Let's go find Laura. Where did she go? There she is. I hear her. Let's find her. There she is. Oh! There she is. Laura, what are we doing today? Well, we hope you enjoyed today's quick sneak peek inside Steadfast Hot Rods. It was great to see Henry, Robert, and the crew, and check out that Roadster build. It is coming along here as well. That one will be for sale, but hope you enjoyed it.